ask yourself, why have you got fear? For what? Ultimately, what is going to happen? We are all going to die, isn't it? So fix that point. One, we are going to die, whether a tiger eats us or we jump from anywhere. Something has to happen to us to die. So why should there be any fear? Now, if there could be a genuine fear, is this that you may not receive your realization. Even this genuine fear has no meaning, because this will also kill your chances of realization. If you believe that God is great and that His compassion is great, really from your heart, you will get your realization, no doubt. You all are there for that, and the divine power itself is anxious to do it, extremely anxious. You can see. Can you believe that there are so many people who are realized souls today in this London? I came here about 20 years back, and if somebody had told me that there are going to be so many realized souls here in this place, I would never have believed, because at that time I had met very few in the whole world, I would say. So the things are happening, but be patient and believe in the mercy of God, in the kindness of God, in His compassion, in His anxiety to give you this gift of realization. And this is one of the greatest hindrances people have when they do not feel their vibrations. Today I received a letter from Jill, and she said she went with my photograph to be framed or something in a shop, and the shopkeeper, that lady, she looked at the photographs. She was a little bit, I don't know, concerned, and she said, whose photograph is this? So Jill just said that to put your hands towards it. Oh God, what has happened? As if some door has opened. Just she put hands there and she gets that. And Jill was amazed, because 6 months she never felt anything. She was breaking her head with it. Mother, I never feel cool breeze, I never feel cool breeze. She is a great seeker, no doubt. And now she says that her brother came and he didn't feel the cool breeze. So Jill said, you have a bad liver. Yes, yes. How do you know? I have. I've got pain in the liver. I've had problems with the liver. So Jill said, put your hand towards the photograph and put your left hand on the liver. Oh God, I am feeling this. I am feeling the tingling and this and that. And he showed the finger for the liver. And she was amazed that this gentleman just walks into the shop where so many people are coming, going. No Caxton Hall, no peaceful atmosphere, no other surge of visiting there. And suddenly you find this gentleman feels the cool breeze. Not only that, but he can exactly say where he is catching.